Sí, y es un libro muy bueno means yes, and it is a very good book. The word es, meaning it is part of the conjugation of the verb ser, which means to be. Notice in the verb chart that es is in the lower left corner. Why? Because it is the third person singular part of the conjugation. At this point, you're no doubt thinking, wait a minute, the verb estar means to be. You're absolutely right. Now you know the horrible truth. Yes, in Spanish there are two, not just one, but two verbs meaning to be. We all agree that this is a huge injustice, but we're too late to do anything about it, so let's just cowboy up and deal with it. To understand when to use ser and when to use estar, here's a short but incomplete rule that covers the vast majority of decisions as to when to use which verb. Use estar when dealing with location or condition. Use ser for everything else. Here's an example of estar when dealing with location. Estoy aquí, which means I am here. What is my location? Here. Thus, I am here. Here's an example of estar when dealing with condition. Estoy bien, which means I am well. What is my condition? Well. Thus, I am well. Here are two examples of ser. Es una lapicera, which means it is a pen. Es un libro, which means it is a book. These two examples fit in the category of everything else. Thus, you use ser. Why do we not use estar here? Because we are not dealing with the location or condition of the pen or the book. We are simply stating it is a pen and it is a book. If we were to say the pen is broken, la lapicera está rota, or the book is here, el libro está aquí, then we're back to the condition of the pen and the location of the book, and we must use estar.